Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for September 8th, 2016. For your Thursday, we're going to start this off with this image on Thursday morning. This right here is what is left of what was formerly Hermine. This is now moving away, and this will be the last you'll see of it. And this area here will be under mostly sunny skies to start. I think you get a few afternoon clouds moving in, but it's still going to be partly cloudy in the afternoon. No, not dealing with any precipitation or overcast conditions. To your west here is a cold front that is situated up here like this in association with this area low pressure right here. This is going to be moving toward us, but it's a very weak front, so all the precipitation you see with it is not going to make it into our area. As a matter of fact, most areas will see nothing overnight. But the big story today will be the heat and also some of the humidity returning to some extent. Here's a look at afternoon high temperatures today, and we can see many locations in our central and southern areas are in the 90s. Lower to middle 90s. Actually, record down here in Philadelphia is 94 set just last year, so that will be challenging that record high. We are forecasting 94 in Philadelphia today as well, but many interior locations here also getting to 90 or above. So it will be a hot afternoon. This is still summer. I know we're in September now, but it's still technically summer, and you can have this typically in September. We have these ups and downs. It's wanting to fight between not wanting to let go of summer, and then at the same time they're going to have some days that it's going to want to transition into fall, and I think that's what you're going to have for the most part during this month. A lot of up and downs coming in the next couple of weeks. Going in back to the precipitation, here's a look at Thursday evening. Again, nothing in our coverage area shown here. The area of opportunity for any shower or thunderstorm activity, although it will be very small, 20% or less, will be generally late evening through the overnight period, but I don't see that happening for many areas within our coverage area. Most of those areas will be to our northwestern areas here shown, and you can see some light stuff trying to get in here on the global models. Let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulator radar. Start this off at 5 p.m. on Thursday. We'll move forward from this point. Again, nothing across our coverage area at all. You got some activity here in northwest Pennsylvania that's going to attempt to come east, but it really doesn't have a lot of staying power with this. It kind of falls apart as it moves eastward. This is now 8 o'clock. This is 11 p.m. Maybe some stuff across the far north and northwestern portions of our coverage area here. Here's 2 a.m. Friday, and there's 5 a.m. Friday. It just falls apart. So the front will come through, and the front will not do much to it won't really do anything with temperatures. Temperatures will go back maybe a degree or two, but the humidity will be knocked down, so that'll be a good change if you're not liking the humidity here on Thursday. Taking this forward here, here's a look at later Friday. Not much going on here. You have another area of precipitation that's going to try to come through in the overnight areas, again favoring the northern sections. Then I'll go into late Friday night into early Saturday morning, and then Saturday is going to be another really hot day. Again, right outside here is this is a heat pump high again getting established. So whatever temperature decrease you took on Friday by maybe 2 degrees or so is going to go right back up to what they were on Thursday. Humidity increases as well. We have this cold front that's going to be moving through. That's going to come through in the late overnight Saturday night, early Sunday time frame. And again, you might have some showers and storms that break out ahead of it along a prefrontal trough. We'll have to watch for that. Right now, most areas stay dry here on Saturday, it looks like. And then as you go forward, here's that cold front coming through the overnight period. Most forcing is going to be up here in New England. So maybe, again, just northern areas might get into a quick shower or thunderstorm in the overnight period on Saturday night into very, very early Sunday. What's waiting behind this, though, is high pressure, and we're also going to have some cooler temperatures coming in here. Now, this is not cold by any means, but the temperatures are going to get knocked back to normal, near normal, or slightly above normal, as opposed to being 10 to 15 degrees above normal like it will be Thursday through Saturday. So big difference in temperatures, but still not really cool in the grand scheme of things. Normal high temperatures are now in the upper 70s to near 80, so if you're in the lower 80s, you're still above normal slightly. I think your overnight temperatures are really what's going to drop to below normal, so that's going to keep that whole 24-hour period averaging near normal during that period for Sunday and Monday. Here's the high pressure moving in and setting right over top of the area here by Monday. So you can see that right here. Now what this high pressure is going to do, this is looking at Monday morning, what it's going to do is eventually move off to this direction here. Once it gets off the coast, then the humidity and the heat start to increase once again. So you get, and you can see that here, you get a return flow around high pressure that's going to bring winds in from the south or southwest again. So temperatures are going to start going up again by the time we get to Tuesday. And once this thing gets established, again, the return flow like this, so you get the temperatures increasing. I don't think this lasts too long, though, because right in the northwest part of your picture here is another cold front that's going to come through. Most likely later Wednesday night, later Wednesday or Wednesday night, might have a few more isolated showers and thunderstorms with this. This is not a pattern that's conducive for precipitation here, so take what you get. If you get you're lucky enough to get a shower or thunderstorm to help with these drought conditions that are in place right now, consider yourself lucky, because it's not going to be any abundant rainfall that we can see, at least for the next week to 10 days. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for September 8th, 2016. Have a great Thursday.